Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I was looking for the perfect long, kind of like tunic top to wear with a pair of leggings. And boy, did I find it in this adorable top by TEMOFON. I got it in a size large because I'm normally like a small or a medium, but given that it's longer tunic and I want it to cover my hips and my bum, I want it to be like a little extra roomy. So it was kind of more like a tunic kind of dress situation. So I would say that it runs true to size. I love the large though because it's super cozy. I think the long sleeves are the perfect length. I love the color blocking. I love the little knot detail in the front of it. It does hit me right at the hips. It covers my bum and I think it looks so great with a pair of leggings. I wore it with leather pants and it just looks amazing. You can so easily dress this up for a night out or it can be dressed down just for a cozy night in. It's very, very comfortable. I even traveled actually in this top. This was my travel outfit and it was so comfy, but I looked like I was dressed up. So it was like really impressive, but I was actually secretly extremely comfortable. I love that cold shoulder detail and I love that it's like got that little strap. So it's not totally off your shoulder. It's not just like a little sliver of a cold shoulder. I think it's kind of like the perfect balance and it looks really, really elegant. I washed it and dried it on kind of a delicate cycle just in case because I like to be careful with especially my favorite items, but it washed up so nice. So it's just really comfy, great quality. If you're looking for a really adorable tunic with a cold shoulder detail that you can so easily dress up or down, I highly recommend checking out this one. I think you're gonna love it like I do, but that's just my point of view.